Hello and welcome back to a long overdue developer diary video for Magical Fairy Drop, my current Atari 5200 and PC game project. It's been a while since I've done one of these. Development has unfortunately slowed a bit, just with stuff going on. Just haven't had a lot of time to do it. But I've been trying to get back into it, trying to get things moving along again, and I've been focusing on the game's tutorial mode, which I think is a very important part of the game. And one of the reasons I wanted to focus on that is because it kind of forces me to do a lot of the design decisions I've been kind of putting off. Because as I write the tutorial, I have to explain the rules, which means I have to make the rules. But I wanted to show off how that's coming along. And I'll start here with the PC version. So this is based very much on the same style of tutorial that I had for the PC version of Magical Fairy Force, where I had Fruity teaching Seven how to play the game. And I'm using the same concept here, and there's a bunch of this dialogue, and this is all scripted. And I'm just going to skip through all this dialogue, but eventually things start happening. Like here, it's demonstrating movement, and there's a piece on the board, and that movement is all scripted. And it goes on, and just adds more and more stuff and explains more and more concepts. And this is kind of the gist of the tutorial. It's going to go through and explain everything. And it's coming along pretty well. I haven't finished writing it yet, but I think I've coded all of the pieces that are necessary for the tutorial. And now it's just a matter of actually doing all of the writing. Now, on the Atari side, I wasn't sure at first I was actually going to be able to pull this off, but somehow I have. Now, I don't have the complete script on the Atari version up to this point, but what I've been focusing on is working on all the different elements of the script to make sure that they all work the way that they should. And I actually got most of this working. So we got some dialogue boxes. I'm probably going to change the color of these at some point. I still need to do that, but here they are. We've got dialogue. And here we have pieces and stuff being put into the board. And you see that piece on the right is moving. I'm not doing that. That is scripted. And it's the same scripting system as that. And the game crashes at this point because I haven't properly terminated the tutorial script. That's expected. But the important thing is that the tutorial mode is actually working on the Atari, which, again, that's something I wasn't really sure I was going to be able to pull off, and there's still a lot of work to be done yet. I may need to do some reorganization with the different banks in the cartridge for this, but those are all details that I can cover later. And that's pretty much all I wanted to cover in this video. Just wanted to show off that tutorial mode and make it clear that work is still going. And I am trying to make an effort to get back on the horse with this project and keep pushing forward with it. But that's going to be it for now, so stay tuned, and hopefully I'll be able to post more regular updates in the future. But for now, that will be it.